The World Cup 2026 is trending everywhere right now across all social media platforms. And a lot of you guys have been asking me inside my Telegram group how to create videos and story videos just like this one. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step using AI tools. So first, we go to ChatGPT, and here we simply ask it to give us story ideas related to the World Cup 2026 matches. You can ask it to create stories by choosing two players from two different teams and make a conversation between them before the match starts. Or you can simply ask it to give you multiple content ideas related to the World Cup 2026, because right now this topic is going viral everywhere. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us multiple ideas. For this example, I decided to choose this one right here. It's about the Brazil team facing Morocco. Then I asked ChatGPT to write me a short script based on this idea, and as you can see, it picked Neymar Jr. representing Brazil against Achraf Hakimi, representing Morocco. After waiting a few seconds for ChatGPT to generate the script, we simply copy the prompt and move directly to this website called Magic Light AI. First, sign up on the platform, and once you're inside, you'll see an interface like this. This tool actually gives you multiple AI features for creating different kinds of videos. For example, you can create kids story videos, explainer videos, music videos, character vlog videos, and many other styles. For our example, we're going to use this type of video as a template. Then we paste the prompt that we copied earlier from ChatGPT right here. After that, we click on Next. Now we wait a little bit while the AI tool prepares all the scenes for the video automatically. Once it finishes, we quickly check everything and make sure all the scenes look good. Here you can check all the characters that the AI generated for your story. If some of them don't look good enough, don't worry. You can easily change them. You can either regenerate new images until you get better results, or you can simply use characters that other creators have already shared online. For example, that's exactly what I'm doing right now with Neymar Jr. I found a better character that looks more realistic and fits the video much better, so I decided to replace the original one. If everything is fine, we click Next again. The AI will now start generating images related to every scene of the story. After that, we check the generated images. If we want to change something, we can modify them, but if everything looks good, we simply continue. Now comes the animation part. The tool will automatically animate all the images and turn them into video scenes. We wait until everything is finished, and once again we review the results to make sure the generated videos look good. After that, we move to the editing step. Here you can customize subtitles, change their style, adjust settings, and make the video look even better. You can also add background music if you want to make the final result more engaging. And finally, for the last step, we click on Generate and wait for the AI to finish creating our complete video. Now let's check the final result.